Modern Real Estate Practice, page 367. Unit 19, Property Management. Learning objectives. When you have finished reading this unit, you will be able to describe the various property management specialities available in the property management field and the role of the property manager in each. Explain the essential elements of the property management agreement. List and explain the primary responsibilities of the property manager. Describe the various federal laws with which the property manager must be knowledgeable and comply with in the performance of his or her duties. Describe the implementation of risk management procedures to ensure the safety and security of the property's tenants, as well as protecting the landlord from liability and loss. Define the following key terms: budget comparison statement, cash flow report, corrective maintenance, management agreement, management plan, multi-peril policies, operating budget, preventative maintenance, profit and loss statement, property manager, risk management, routine maintenance, surety bonds, tenant improvements, workers' compensation acts. Overview. As a specialized field, property management is one of the fastest growing areas of real estate practice. Property management involves the leasing, managing, marketing, and overall maintenance of real estate owned by others, usually rental property. Many mortgage lenders require that investors hire a professional property manager to manage their properties. End of page. Page 368. The property manager. A property manager must achieve the goals of the owners, generate income, and preserve and/or increase the value of the property. The role of the property manager is complex, requiring the manager to wear many hats. It is not unusual for a property manager to be a market analyst, salesperson, accountant, advertising specialist, and maintenance person, all in the same day. In addition, the property manager frequently interacts with people in various professions, including lawyers, environmental engineers, and accountants. The three principal responsibilities of the property manager are to achieve the objectives of the property owners, generate income for the owners, and preserve and/or increase the value of the investment property. The property manager carries out the goals of the property owners. In the process, the property manager is responsible for maintaining the owner's investment and making sure the property earns income. These goals can be accomplished in several ways. The physical property must be maintained in good condition, suitable tenants must be found, rent must be collected, and employees must be hired and supervised. The property manager is responsible for budgeting and controlling expenses, keeping proper accounts, and making periodic reports to the owner. In all of these activities, the manager's primary goal is to operate and maintain the physical property in such a way as to preserve and enhance the owner's capital investment. Some property managers work for property management companies. These firms manage properties for a number of owners under management agreements. A property manager in a general agency relationship with the property owner could be an independent contractor with great authority and discretion in management decisions. A property manager or an owner may employ building managers to supervise the daily operations of a building. In some cases, these individuals might be residents of the building. In practice, in most states, licensed real estate professionals are permitted to manage properties for others. Some states have separate property management licenses. When directly employed by the owner, non-licensed individuals are permitted by some states to manage properties, while some states require licensing in order to manage condominium or cooperative homeowners associations. Others do not. Some states require an on-site manager for residential income-producing properties having more than a certain number of units. For example, California requires a manager on site for residential properties of 16 or more units. Securing management business. Possible clients of a property management business include corporate owners, apartment buildings, owners of small rental residential properties, homeowners associations, investment syndicates, trusts, and owners of office buildings. A good reputation is often the manager's best advertising. A manager who constantly demonstrates the ability to increase property income over previous levels. Page 369. While meeting legal requirements and enhancing the property's attractiveness to tenants, should have little difficulty finding new business. Before contracting to manage any property, the professional property manager should be certain that the building owner has realistic income expectations. Necessary maintenance, unexpected repairs, and effective marketing all take time and money. In addition, most states have landlord-tenant laws that require the landlord owner to keep the property repaired and make sure it complies with building codes. Through the agency relationship with the owner, the property manager becomes responsible for repairs and the building's condition. New opportunities. Specialization has opened a range of new opportunities. Well-trained specialists are needed to manage shopping centers, commercial buildings, and industrial parks, in addition to the more visible management of residential properties. The following are just a few of the specialities that have an ongoing need for competent managers. Community association management. The prevalence of homeowners and condominium associations combined with complex planning and development codes have placed new demands on property managers working as part of a team. Property managers assist in providing a comprehensive array of services to volunteer boards. Many states now require at least a real estate license or an association management license for those who specialize in managing associations. Housing for seniors. Opportunities abound in managing housing for those age 55 and older, including federally assisted housing programs, in addition to marketing. Managers of senior housing are often responsible for the operation of the facility as well as housekeeping, meal service, social event planning, and medical emergency planning. When subsidized housing is involved, the property manager needs to be familiar with state and federal rules pertaining to eligibility requirements and income verification. Manufactured homes. Homes built in factories meeting HUD specifications are called manufactured homes or HUD code homes. These homes may be placed on individually owned land, but more than a third are sited in communities. A tenant may rent only the pad, the land on which the home is sited, or the home itself. Many communities, especially those in the Sunbelt states, are geared toward seniors. Managers at these communities must be effective at building community spirit. Resort housing. Managing second home and resort rentals presents specific challenges. A resort manager must be able to care for and maintain often vacant properties and be able to attract and manage short-term tenants. Many such properties are located in high-risk areas for natural disasters such as hurricanes. So the manager must be able to prepare for an emergency as well as to work with insurance adjusters. Concierge services. A new area for property managers to specialize in is the training and managing of concierge staff for office buildings and other settings. Concierge staff are responsible for anything from arranging for taxi rides to assisting with internet-enabled equipment for a conference. End of page.